Discover the Quick Clamp, the fast, reliable solution for connecting mesh cable trays. To install, simply place the PKPM-SPH Quick Clamp between two mesh cable trays. Next, bend the clamp's tab inward, securing it tightly to the cable tray. The Quick Clamp works seamlessly with both full-length and cut mesh cable trays. The Quick Clamp provides secure and strong connection between mesh cable trays. When adjustments of cable path are needed, easily remove the clamp, no tools required, and reuse it a few times. The number of clamps needed depends on the width of your mesh cable tray.